York, I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie.
Hey guys, so you guys are gonna see the clip of me actually applying the wig. What I did not record was me putting the Got To Be glue gel down and the spray, but I do have a clip of me applying the wig. And don't judge me, because as you can see in my videos or my pics or whatever, the final thing looks good, so don't judge me. Okay, so this time I did use my Got To Be and the big sexy hair, but I just wanted to jump on here really fast and let you guys know that. Could've done what you did to me, to you a few times, but if I did decide to slide with the guy, you would've been pissed, but that's not my MO. I'm not that type of bitch, and coming for you's gonna be who you end up with. The only man, baby, I adore. I gave you everything, what's mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course. I hope you get what you're dying for. Be careful with me, hey. Do you know what you do when those feelings you're hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl you're losing? Be careful with me, hey. It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me, hey. My heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me, hey. Oh yeah, be careful with me. Who get this motherfucker started? Who took your bitch out the party? I took your bitch in the party. Who that be flies in Martian? Who that on fleek in the cut? Who got the bricks in the truck? Them diamonds go in like a bitch and a bitchiest bitch. But you won't wanna be Cardi. Right, but I'm MJ moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalk through your clique. Moonwalking in the six. Sticky with the kick. Moon rocks in his bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I keep the pump in the trunk. If you bad, then jump. Might leave your bitch in the sun. Bitch won't party with Cardi. Cardi your body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Gotta get your bitch on money. Drinking you lame. Belly trickling in the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the plane. Cardi taking man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset, yeah. Cardi with the unoffset. Cardi be brain unoffset. Cardi taking man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi with the unoffset. Cardi be brain.
Beatles, foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dog. Don Corleone, trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't you say you down, you gotta show me. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the boss, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog.
I was supposed to be recording. So as you can see, I've already done like this side. All I did was go through and re-plug the edges because I did have to cut the lace a little bit.
And a bunch of niggas need you to go. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night but did it broad day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in the hallway.
My sister Nika, I feel like she does like her edges like really nice, and I've always been like, why should I do my edges like that? Such a loser. She's my younger sister too. And like I learned to do like my hair myself. Only because like I love my mama, like that's my baby. That's my baby and but she stopped doing my hair like I wanted it. And I was just like, okay. So what I'm gonna do now, because like I said, I used the edge control because I didn't want a whole bunch of gel on my head while I was trying to manipulate my edges, and I wanted it to be easier to flow. As you can see, I don't know if you like it, you don't.
I don't care. Sorry, they're kind of funny me, but okay. Now, okay, so now I'm gonna take this pump it up, 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 pump it up spray, and I'm gonna apply these to my edges. I'm gonna tell you the truth. In between like recording, I'm watching like mad Family Guy. Oh, Family Guy is my life. And if you haven't seen my other 2 videos, definitely click on my channel, check those out. Definitely like and subscribe. Also go down in the comments below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what videos you want to see in the future. And we gotta really get this party popping, y'all. Like, I cannot be like, I can have a party by myself, but like, I'm trying to get y'all like on board. So that's what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need y'all to get it together and start like subscribing, because it's taking way too long. I don't know if I just have high expectations, like higher than I'm supposed to, but I feel like it's taking forever, and I'm gonna need y'all to come on and hop on. So, who's your mama?
I already told you, I think that you should get some.
I don't know if I should go side or middle. I kind of want to keep the middle going. I feel like I've been really feeling the middle part, because I don't usually rock the middle part. I feel like, because I usually have like straight hair or body wave hair. I feel like I'm usually rocking the sideways part. Oil, I got it for Ulta for about $22. Yeah, $22. I said that. I don't know either. So but I do use that on my hair for the oil, because that oil is really light. I am also going to go in with my water, like just my regular water, in my bottle that I reuse and recycle. And I'm just gonna go in and spray my hair real quick so I could just get a little bit more definition. I don't want to go in with a leave-in conditioner or anything like that, because I don't want any product built up, because I had that before I deep conditioned my hair, and I'm not trying to go back there, because right now this is the final look, and definitely let me know if you guys like it. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see more of me. Definitely follow, subscribe, follow me on Insta and Twitter, and me on Snap. You can see my extracurricular activities. I'm not gonna put them on YouTube because we're not there yet. We're not that close yet, but we'll get there. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and talk about something really fast. So, my husband has been gone for 3.5 weeks, and we are barely able to talk. Right now, I haven't talked to him for over a week. Like, on the phone, I haven't, heard his voice, seen his face for over a week, and now it's just kind of like, settling in, and like it's really close to the holidays. Christmas is coming up and I'll be by myself, and you know, New Year's. So I don't know, I just thought I'd come on here and talk about that really fast, because I thought, like, I don't know, I feel like it's something that's not talked about is like the late night, like, loneliness. I don't know, I don't want to be like oversharing, but I feel like this happens a lot, but people just don't talk about it. And like, I don't know, but it's happening right now, and it's like, it's really sad, because it's like, honestly, there's nothing anyone can say right now that could like really make me feel better, because like, I miss my boo. I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Anyways, thanks for listening.